Akiaria na andiki a mohoro mwena wa Nyeri, mwandiki munene wa arigitani ya kaunti-ini no Grace Ndwati nugite ni makoretwo makiruta wira makiria moria mabatie undu uria wacungiriirio ni unyihu wa arigitani aria matigite wira na guthio gwetha uboco wao mwena ungi.
And normal circumstances you're supposed to report 3 nurses, one being the in charge of that department. And in the afternoon, there are 2 people more who should come. At night, there are 2 more who should come. And those are the nursing shifts that you are trained. But you find yourself alone in the ward with 40 patients, answering all the questions from the patients, from the relatives. And yet, you are supposed to give all the nursing care that is there in the ward.
Ningi arigitani aya ni marauga, Minister wa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kaunti-ini yo Charles Githinji ni wokoretwo ari muhingica munene hari kuongererwo micara.
We have been fighting. We have been going to all the offices that are in Nyeri County to check on our status, but nothing has changed.
Arigitani guothe bũrũri-inĩ ni matabanirie mũgomo ũrĩa waikarire kwa ihinda rĩa thikũ 100. Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Wangechi wa Njane.